Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier.
The best handheld vacuum cleaner reviews. Wireless handheld vacuum cleaner VC205 delivers powerful 27000 PA suction with smart dust sensor for efficient cleaning. Touchscreen controls and cordless stick design make it portable and easy to use. Ideal for home, car, and quick spot cleaning, lightweight, versatile, and convenient for daily use.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.